Welcome back to Manifest with Vitality, your sacred space for aligning with your desires, manifesting through intention, and stepping into your power. Today, we're diving deep into something I use in my own personal rituals and energy work. Something simple but deeply transformational, candle magic. If you've ever lit a candle while setting a goal, praying, or doing a full moon ritual, you've already felt its power. But today, we're going beyond the flame and into the energetic force that makes this practice so effective. Candles are one of the oldest ritual tools used across spiritual traditions. But why? Because they represent all the elements. The wax is earth, the flame is fire, the melted wax becomes liquid like water, the smoke is air, and when you light a candle with intention, you activate the fifth element, spirit. That energy becomes amplified because you're not just speaking or thinking your desire. You're anchoring it into physical reality. This is the magic behind candle rituals. It's important to remember, the candle isn't magic on its own. You are the magic. These tools, candles, crystals, herbs, simply help you focus, channel, and amplify the energy you're already creating. Think of it this way. Your intention is like a radio signal. Working with tools like candles tunes your frequency. It helps direct your energy like a laser beam. It brings the invisible into the visible. And that's what manifestation is all about. Candle rituals can be used not just to call things in, but to let things go. A black candle during the full moon can be used to banish negative energy. A blue candle may bring peace or healing to a relationship. A yellow candle can energize your mindset, creativity, or confidence. You're not just lighting wax, you're focusing the flame of your own power. Each time you work with a candle, you're building a stronger energetic connection between you and the version of you who already has what you desire. So why does this work? Because ritual creates alignment. It puts you in a higher frequency. When you take a conscious action, like lighting a candle with belief, care, and focus, you begin to level up into the energy where your desires already exist. You match the vibration of abundance, clarity, love, power. And when you match that energy, the universe mirrors it back. You don't need fancy tools or decades of experience. Start simple. Choose a candle color based on your intention. Choose the moon phase or day that aligns best. New moon to call in, full moon to release. Write your intention or speak it aloud. Light the flame and stay present. You can add herbs, crystals, oils, or incense if you're called. But the most important ingredient is your energy. If you're curious to explore this more deeply, I created a free sample guide you can download right now in my store. It includes 3 moon-aligned candle rituals that are perfect for beginners or anyone needing a sacred reset. And very soon, I'll be releasing a full book called Moonlit Flame, filled with deeper rituals, crystal and herb pairings, and powerful practices to charge your desires. This is your time to claim the energy that's always been available to you. Start with the flame. Trust your intention. Let the ritual do its work. If this resonated with you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to remember their power. The light is always within you. You just have to choose to ignite it. Blessed be. Manifest with vitality.